You are at the airport. You have your ticket, you have your bag.
But when the agent says, "May I see your passport?" you freeze. You don't know what to say.
What do you say at check-in? What do you say at security?
Today, Maya is flying for the first time, alone, and you're going to practice every word she needs.
Hello everyone, I'm Mia.
And I'm Alex. Welcome to English Cast Duo.
This is a safe space. No pressure, no judgment. Just real English practice with two real voices.
Today, you will follow Maya through her very first flight.
You will hear 4 real conversations at the airport. First, you will just listen. Then, we will practice line by line together.
Remember the most important rule. Mistakes are not failure. Mistakes mean you are using the language.
Ready? Let's help Maya catch her flight. Maya arrives at the airport. She walks to the check-in desk. Her heart is beating fast, but she is ready.
Let's listen to the full conversation first. Just listen. Don't speak yet. Good morning. May I see your passport and ticket, please?
Good morning. Here you are.
Thank you. Are you checking any bags today?
Yes. Just one bag.
Please put your bag on the scale.
Of course.
Your bag is fine. Here's your boarding pass. Your gate is B12.
Thank you. What time does boarding start?
Boarding starts at 10:30. Have a good flight.
Thank you so much. All right, let's practice this together. Listen, then speak out loud. The agent starts with a polite request.
Good morning. May I see your passport and ticket, please?
Maya hands them over. Here you are is perfect anytime you give something to someone. Good morning, here you are.
Thank you. Are you checking any bags today?
Maya keeps it simple. Yes, just one bag.
Please put your bag on the scale.
Of course means yes, with confidence. Use it anytime someone asks you to do something. Of course.
Your bag is fine. Here is your boarding pass. Your gate is B12.
Now Maya asks a very useful question. Listen carefully. Thank you. What time does boarding start?
Boarding starts at 10:30. Have a good flight.
Maya closes warm and simple. Thank you so much.
You did it. Maya is checked in, and so are you.
Now Maya has to go through security. This part makes a lot of people nervous, but the words are simple. Let's listen first.
Please remove your shoes and put everything in the tray.
Everything?
Yes. Your phone, keys, belt, and laptop if you have one.
Okay. Like this?
Yes. Perfect. Now please walk through.
Of course.
You're all clear. Have a good flight.
Thank you. Let's practice together. Speak out loud after each line. The officer gives instructions.
Please remove your shoes and put everything in the tray.
Maya is not sure. She asks to confirm. This is natural. This is smart. Everything?
Yes. Your phone, keys, belt, and laptop, if you have one.
Like, this is a great phrase when you want to check if you are doing something correctly. Okay, like this?
Alex. Yes, perfect. Now please walk through.
Of course.
You're all clear. Have a good flight.
All clear means you passed. No problems. Maya says thank you. Thank you.
Wonderful. Maya is through security. Every step is getting a little bit easier.
If you are still with us right now, that matters. Most people stop practicing. But you are still here.
That tells us something important about you. You were the kind of person who finishes what they start.
We are proud of you. Let's keep going. Maya still needs to find her gate, and you are going to help.
Maya looks at her boarding pass. Gate B12. She looks around the airport. She's not sure where to go.
Instead of worrying, she asks. Let's listen first.
Excuse me. I'm looking for gate B12. Am I in the right place?
Almost. Gate B12 is down this corridor on the left.
Down this corridor and on the left. Got it. Thank you.
Of course. Are you flying to London today?
Yes, I am.
You're going the right way. Have a great flight.
Thank you so much.
Let's practice. Remember to speak after each line. Maya gets someone's attention politely.
Excuse me. I'm looking for gate B12. Am I in the right place?
I'm looking for is one of our favorite phrases. You can use it anywhere. I'm looking for the bathroom. I'm looking for the exit. I'm looking for gate B12. Excuse me? I'm looking for gate B12. Am I in the right place?
Almost. Gate B12 is down this corridor on the left.
Now watch what Maya does. She repeats the directions. This shows she understood. Down this corridor and on the left. Got it. Thank you.
Of course. Are you flying to London today?
Yes, I am is a short, confident, complete answer. Yes, I am.
You're going the right way. Have a great flight.
Thank you so much.
You are doing beautifully. One more scenario. This is the last one.
This is the final moment. Maya walks to the gate. The flight attendant is waiting. Maya takes a deep breath. She is ready. Let's listen.
Hello. May I see your boarding pass?
Yes, here you are.
Thank you. Your seat is 22A. That's on the left side, near the window.
Oh, great. I love the window seat.
Enjoy your flight.
Thank you. Excuse me, where do I put my bag?
You can put it in the overhead bin, just above your seat.
Perfect. Thank you so much. Let's do this together. Last one. You've got this. The flight attendant greets Maya.
Hello. May I see your boarding pass?
Maya hands it over with confidence. Yes, here you are.
Thank you. Your seat is 22A. That's on the left side, near the window.
Maya responds naturally. A window seat is exciting. It is okay to show it. Oh, great. I love the window seat.
Enjoy your flight.
Maya doesn't stop there. She has one more question. This is so important. Never be afraid to ask. It is better to ask than to be lost. Thank you. Excuse me. Where do I put my bag?
You can put it in the overhead bin just above your seat.
The overhead bin is the storage space above the seats. Overhead means above your head. Perfect. Thank you so much.
And just like that, Maya is on the plane.
Maya started today not knowing what to say. She was nervous. She made mistakes. But she asked. She practiced. She kept going.
And she made her flight.
That is exactly what you just did. You didn't just listen, you spoke. Out loud in English.
Repeat after us.
I give myself permission to make mistakes. I give myself permission to make mistakes.
I am brave enough to speak.
I am brave enough to speak.
Every time I practice, I get better.
Every time I practice, I get better.
We're so proud of you.
Today you practiced 4 real airport conversations.
Checking in at the desk, going through security, asking for directions to your gate, and boarding the plane.
These are sentences you can use on your very next trip.
If you found this practice helpful, please give it a like. It really helps our channel grow.
And tell us in the comments, which conversation was most useful for you?
If you want to practice more real English situations with Maya, subscribe to English Cast Duo and turn on notifications.
Maya has more adventures coming, and you are going to practice every single one. Thank you for learning with us today. I'm Mia.
And I'm Alex.
Keep speaking, keep practicing, and keep shining. You've got this.